If homework time has become a nightly war zone, this is for you. In the next 30 minutes, you'll learn how to turn tears and power struggles into teamwork and progress. You'll build what I call the homework treaty, a clear, calm agreement that makes learning simpler for both brains in the room. This treaty rests on 4 pillars: focused sprints, strategic choices, effort-based praise, and quick repair. Your clipboard as a coach has 4 notes. 1. Sprint, 20 minutes focus, 5 minutes break, timer visible. 2. Choice, coach or cheerleader. Math or reading first. 3. Praise, I saw you slow down instead of quit. 4. Repair, my stress, not your fault. Let's reset. If this brings you relief by the end, please subscribe. One practical parenting plan every week. The battle scene, it's 7 p.m. The air smells like dinner. You call homework time. Your child sighs, mutters, drags feet, maybe cries. You repeat yourself, louder. The spiral begins. This isn't defiance, it's depletion. After a day of holding it together at school, your child's brain hits overload. Homework becomes a symbol of control instead of curiosity. Tonight we stop fighting symbols and start designing safety. Why the brain shuts down when you say homework to a tense kid. The thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, gets caught in a chokehold by the alarm system, the amygdala. You can't solve math problems while running from a tiger. Our goal isn't to pry the chokehold loose, it's to convince the alarm system to stand down. Predictability is the brain's all-clear signal. Our 4 pillars give that signal every night. Calm the coach. First, your calm turns homework from threat into practice. Before you begin, breathe in 4, hold 2, exhale 6. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Say to yourself, I'm the thermostat, not the thermometer. A thermostat sets the climate. A thermometer only reacts. Now shape the room to match your new temperature. 1 clear workspace, table or desk, same time each day. Gather tools, pencils, charger, paper, water. Dim distractions, TV off, phone face down, gentle music if helpful. Quiet background cues calm the whole house. Predictability starts with geography. Pillar 1. The focus sprint. Replace vague homework time with a visible, timed sprint. Announce calmly, 20 minutes of focus, 5 minutes to move, stretch, or snack. Use a physical or visual timer everyone can see. No phone apps, no dings from texts. During the sprint, sit nearby doing your quiet task. Presence says safe. If they ask for help, answer with questions, not lectures. What part is clear? What part is stuck? At the beep, stop, even mid-problem. Say, that's 1 sprint complete. Pause, breathe, move. Breaks train stamina without resentment. Advanced sprint, 4 tests or projects. Before big exams, do 2 20-minute blocks separated by dinner or play. Cramming burns power, rhythm builds it. Pillar 2. The choice compass. Autonomy fuels cooperation. Give small decisions inside firm boundaries. Say, do you want to start with reading or math? Coach or cheerleader mode tonight? If they choose, they commit. When control is shared, resistance fades. Midway through the week, ask, what helps focus best? Music, quiet, or timer sound off? Same plan, more ownership. Pillar 3. The effort lens. We don't praise product, we tag process. Bad, great job, you got an A. Better, you stuck with that new method even when it was slow. Best, I noticed you breathed instead of yelling. That's real focus. Effort praise rewires self-talk. It tells the brain, growth lives in persistence. Be specific, brief, and sincere. End sprints with 1 sentence of observation, not evaluation. Pillar 4. The repair ritual. Every teacher knows. Mistakes are feedback. Parents forget the same applies to tone. When voices rise, you model repair. If you yell, that was my stress, not your fault. Can we reset? If they storm off, we'll pause homework now. When you're ready, we'll try again. Love stays. When they return, thanks for coming back. Starting again is brave. Repair before reteach. Trust first, content second. Coach's clipboard review every night. Check 4 boxes: sprint, choice, praise, repair. Keep a 1-page card visible. Sprint, 20 on/5 off, timer in sight. Choice: child picks subject or support style. Praise: name one effort moment. Repair: if heat rises, pause then start fresh. That flashcard keeps you on mission when the room tilts toward chaos. Scripts for tough moments: I hate homework. You don't have to love it. You just have to start for 10 minutes, then we recheck. I'll do it later. Later turns into pressure. Let's finish 5 questions now so later is shorter. Tears rising, your brain saying too much. Let's breathe first, problem second. Chasing perfection, perfect is a trap. Effort teaches. Circle what's left, we'll revisit tomorrow. Short lines, calm tone. You're coaching, not interrogating. Coach's notes, quick fixes, sibling chaos stagger sprints by 10 minutes. ADHD restlessness allows standing work or mini movement. Too much homework email teacher, we're capping at 40 minutes for focus health. Perfectionism limit time per problem, not number of sheets. Grade panic, grades measure part of you. Effort builds the rest. Keep these printed beside your clipboard, a cheat sheet for storms. Visual progress, make the invisible visible with a calendar. Green equals calm start, yellow equals rough, but finished red equals meltdown review Sunday. 3 greens this week, focus gets stronger. Progress seen is progress kept. When energy is gone, some nights you're empty. Half energy, honesty beats fake cheer. Say, I've got 30% tonight, let's do one 20-minute round then close shop. You model pacing and realism. Perfectionism dies in truth. After the beep, connection ritual when the last sprint ends, mark closure with comfort. 2 minutes of chat, stretch, walk, or shared snack. Say, sprint done. Focus banked. Now family time. The goal is to end on belonging, not burnout. Weekly review with your child Sunday evening, Coco plus calendar. Ask 3 short questions. 1, what worked? 2, what was hard? 3, what one thing should we change? Then close. Thanks for your effort this week. That's real growth. 10 minutes max, no lectures, just debrief. Parent self-reflection, circle days you stayed steady. Mark thermostat, wins. Your calm score matters more than homework completion. You're practicing self-regulation aloud. The family mantra, write it big where everyone sees. Practice perfection. Effort outcome. Repair rage. 3 lines on the fridge. Visual reminders beat verbal repetition. The deeper why homework is not about worksheets. It's daily practice in persistence, frustration tolerance, and recovery. Every 20-minute sprint teaches the life skill of returning to hard things without fear. You're not grading papers, you're growing grit. Closing reflection, you now have a homework treaty built on 4 pillars. 1, focus sprints, short, timed, predictable. 2, choice compass, limited autonomy that builds buy-in. 3, effort lens, specific, sincere praise for persistence. 4, repair ritual, reset without shame. Together they form your coach's clipboard. Sprint, choice, praise, repair. Love stays. Structure teaches. Small and kept beats big and broken. If this gave you hope for calmer nights, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel reach more families who deserve peaceful evenings and tells me to keep creating tools that make your home a little kinder, one routine at a time.